Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video, and today we're going to be looking at the official clear view standing cover from Samsung for the Galaxy Note 9. Now this one's around £50. I will leave a link in the description below. Please check out those links because it gets you these as cheap as possible, plus it helps me to grow the channel. Now, here is the official packaging. Clear view standing cover. I have been using the case for a while. So multiple viewing angles, easy control with dedicated UX theme curation service. I said around £50-ish. I will leave links. Okay. Now this comes in different colors. I've got the blue because I've got the Ocean Blue Note 9. It also comes in a black. I think it comes in a lilac, lilac purple. And it also comes in a copper brown color. I've just finished reviewing this. This is the official clear cover from Samsung for the Note 9. I'll leave a link for this case at the end of this video if you want to check that out, because not everyone likes a flip case. Now let me show you the inside of this. Very soft, smooth finish in here. I'm confident this will not scratch the back of my Note 9 up. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 stamped in there, made in Vietnam. You got this sticker here. Feels very soft, very plush. This is hard plastic that runs around the edge of the camera and fingerprint cutout. This side with the flip, very soft, smooth finish. Hasn't scratched my Note 9 screen up, but I have been using a tempered glass screen protector. This is the sleep wake magnet there. As you can see, it's recessed so it will not scratch the screen of your Note 9 like previous clear view standing covers did. This here is like a kind of like a fake leathery kind of material. Not bad, not bad. It feels pretty durable. I don't feel like it's going to break or anything. So let me drop my Note 9 into this. Best way to do is push the top in first, slide it back, and then push down on the bottom two corners. Done. Now, as you can see here, there's a big cutout for the volume rocker and the Bixby button. On the top, you've got the cutout for the microphone. Let's close this. Nice recessed cutout for the power button. So I'm pretty confident that won't get damaged in a fall because this is quite chunky around here, as you can see. Cutout at the back for the camera and fingerprint sensor is very recessed. Very easy to reach, no issue there. Makes finding the fingerprint sensor easier. You've also got a bit of Samsung branding there. This is that kind of it's not a slippery material, but it has got, and it's non-fingerprint, which is something, you know me with my OCD, I can't stand fingerprints. So that's really, really a win all day long. Feels soft as well. It's hard, but if the coating on the back feels pretty soft, so it's really nice. And it's got a kind of color shift, as you can see there. See there how it goes dark and then lighter colored? Really nice. And that protection for the camera, really deep and recessed. The bottom, unfortunately, is open, which annoys me, but you can see how much protection you have there. Not a huge amount, but if it falls flush like this on a flat surface, it should be protected, but I wish this was covered up. Personal preference. On this side, you've got your volume rocker and your Bixby button. The symbols are just on this sort of hinge. You hear that clickiness? Really easy to access, really easy to press. Works perfectly. Now this does not have an always on display. The front is it's kind of like almost like a mirror effect, so it gets very fingerprinty. I mean, look at that. If you're one for fingerprint, switch off now, because this will drive you nuts. Look, it's absolutely greasy, and I keep my hands pretty clean. Let's give that a wipe off. So what happens here is you get little notifications that come up here, little icons. basically showing you what, like if you've got a WhatsApp symbol come up, if you've got the email symbol comes up, etc. If you're playing music, it comes up here. You just click this arrow, swipe across like that. So your music controller needs some music, so it goes through that so you can control it. Your calendar and the tasks comes up and across, next alarm, your weather, and back to your time. Now this will stay on for around about 5 seconds or so. It also shows you your battery percentage right there. It's very hard to show you guys, but it gives you some idea. You have got a slot cut out the top for taking calls, so you can keep the flap closed when you're on a phone call. Now if I open this up, whenever you put one of Samsung's official flip cases on, it always says welcome to the theme store. I don't bother with that because I'm happy with the theme I have. So let me go into accessories. Let me find it, advanced features, there we go, accessories. So you've got automatic unlock, so open the cover to unlock the phone. This feature only works if you're not using a secure lock screen, blah blah blah. Information and face widgets, so you can select whatever you want there. Notifications, so show notifications that will normally appear on the lock screen through the Clearview cover. Tap here to view your notification settings, so let's tap on there. Actually, you know what, I'm not going to get into that, it's just a case review. And obviously fast wireless charging, which we're not going to get into. So it is a nice case if you can deal with the fingerprints. Now it does work with wireless charging, because I know some of you are going to ask me that, and it does work with a Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. I am using a screen protector from a company called Bear, which is not like a Whitestone Dome screen protector. It's a different type of screen protector, full adhesive, curved edges. I will be reviewing that at some point, so chill out with that. I'm testing it currently. One thing I like about this case, it has got the stand functionality. So basically, you open this up. These are kind of magnets here that keep it closed. And you've got a ledge here along the top. So you basically put that in, and there we have it. Nice standing cover, pretty sturdy. Look, it's not going to go anywhere. If you pull this forward, yes, it will move. You can adjust it a bit, as you can see there. It's not really designed for that. So you can put it at different angles. It works pretty well, And you've got access to your volume rocker at the top if you do it this way. It's probably better to do it that way than to do it this way, because it's not really designed to be done in this fashion, because you will potentially scratch this up. Now I haven't got any scratches on this yet, but look at the fingerprints. Look, that is the one bugbear I have with this case. For that reason I can't use this case. I just can't. It just will drive me nuts. But I do like how the power button is nice and secure in there, even though it's open. It's just a shame the bottom was more closed. Just a shame that's open like it is. Now that it has got the sleep wake functionality, there you go. But this, hold on a minute. There we go, that's better. Didn't click into place properly earlier. There is no magnetic closure, so if you have it this way around, it will open, as you can see, which is a shame. Now, here's a view of it from the front, because people are going to say, well, you never showed the front. There you go. Let me open that up so you can see what that looks like from the front. Okay. And that's a back view. So between £40 and £50, I will leave the cheapest prices I can find down below. Use those links. Helps me out, helps the channel grow. Next up, I am going to be reviewing this, the official LED view cover from Samsung. Really nice case, this one. So stay tuned for that. I've already done a ton of official cases for the Note 9. I've also done a lot of other cases for the Note 9. I've got around about 100 cases and various screen protectors to review for this. So hit the notification bell icon, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share this video on all your social media. And until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.